back to home page. Next piece would be dealing with my math test. It costs only $12 to purchase. There is a video clip that tells us how to register with my math test. Needless to say, we need a program ID, which is posted under the announcement. So the next thing is, after we register, to log in, you can use this one to log in. And it brings us to my math test. We enter my math test, and a couple of links that we should be concerned with is take a test, study plan, and the grade. So we start with take a test. So if you start with a test and answer the questions, then you get a chance to submit the test. For example, the first one is asking for a slope-intercept format, minus 2x plus 7. Of course, you take the online test after studying a little bit through the PowerPoints or video lectures. The next one, you put up some answer or you work it out. Needless to say, I expect you to work it out. I want to submit the test because I want to show you what happens next. What happens is that it shows me I've answered a couple of questions correct. The rest of them are incorrect. If I look at the review test, it shows me the one that I've done right. And the ones that are wrong, it gives me the correct answer. So I can go through the test and figure out what went wrong. On the left side, also it says study plan. Study plan gets generated after a test is taken. Otherwise, it won't be there. So my study plan is been generated for me as a result of taking a test, and the pin represents what I have to work on. So if I pick one of them, then it gives me two choices, practice and then quiz me. So for example, the first topic says use the multiplication property. If I click on practice, notice what happens. I have several questions to work with. There are 22 questions in this. I practice with those. And what's interesting is that now I have question help available. So it can help me solve it, or it can show me an example. So I go through several examples. With all the help available, I practice, and now I'm ready to take the quiz. So if I go through quiz me the test by starting the test, and it gives me only a few questions, I'd be ready to move back on to take a test and retake the test and nail the test, getting ready to move on to the next test.